just up in the top corner of the field there.
Even on the new shoots, what's coming through. It's kind of deer, mate.
The follow deer. It's
a few yards really.
it's probably a quarter mile or something, isn't it? Just across the far corner of the field there. We're out there just to see if we can see anything. It's quite windy. You might hear a bit of wind on the front of the camera there.
I reckon it's the weather's supposed to warm next week.
Aye. I've seen one. Let's have a look.
It's definitely a lot more than the run than what they used to be, isn't it?
Aye, tons.
It's very rare when you see them on way.
It was some back out just there. Let's see how far away that was. It's some distance, but we're getting up here. We're gonna walk up to the river, aren't we? Oh, a blackbird there. I'll get the camera on the stabs, yeah. Get it set down. It could be the closest we'll get to a bird today.
I think that you film what we can. It's the weather's been. It's not far from middle of April, man. It's still like winter.
I know soon I got onto it and it jumped off. Still got it, like, you know.
I wouldn't care. I was sitting there for ages now.
It had been there when we walked up, didn't it? But we seen the deer and thought, oh, we'll get that instead. We're walking up to the river. The dipper could be there early. The wagtail, grey wagtail could be there early. There's a few we can see up here. Deer still across there.
Still there.
Oh. Get on to the bit there. Got the dipper there, sitting on the rock. Got nicely in shot there. You can see the water's still a bit flooded. We're up the way it nests. It's just up. They are early nesters. Oh, it's just through it. Hold on for a couple of minutes, anyways. But
You've got to put a bit there, didn't you?
at least 30 seconds for a minute.
I'd put it on, it's a bit tricky, but it's just in case now I like all the nest and the compilation and just...
we've got this here, this is where the dippers, this is where we found it last year and the year before, so we're going to have a walk here and have a look, see if it's there this year. Because the bird was there this time. I'll turn the camera so we'll get on. Right, we'll come under the little waterfall. That looks like a bit of nesting material there. Is there something being pulled out somewhere?
One year ago, the people had the wagtail nest, wasn't it?
Aye, the wagtail was there, wasn't it, one day now?
Bit of a nest over here, didn't have a canoe, because it did nest there once before, but it didn't look too bad. It's quite good.
I'll have to get in, man. I'll have a look. Let's go on the rock there. Just under there. That could be the grey wagtail. That's where the dipper nested the other year. getting under there when you're getting wet. I'll turn the fan off. Come across the other side here, and just here, it's what looks like a platform for a nest. We're not sure if something's actually on building. Hard to tell, because there's not much of it there. If it was an old one, it would be totally gone. And everything's quite dry in there, but that's damp as if it's been collecting. So it could be a fresh one, we're not sure. And there's this one over here. It's a bit wet and a bit slippery. I'll just have a look at this. That would just come a bit further down here. Is that a kingfisher?
Aye.
Aye, there. No, dipper.
Dipper, man.
Aye. The kingfisher makes like a loud peep noise, doesn't it?
Have a look up here later.
Aye.
We've never found them up here years ago, but what happened in the last few years? How
No, and
Somewhere
it's
up there, like.
ideal up there for them. Right, we're just looking at this anyways.
It's a little shrew I've never actually seen. Used to always now and again come across them in the
Aye.
dead shoes, but it's been a while.
It's a lovely little thing, isn't it? It's a shame.
Now it's just keeled over and a heart attack.
Aye, because if it had been attacked or something, they would have took it, wouldn't
I
it?
suppose they've got to die.
Got to die
naturally
somewhere.
now, I suppose, haven't they?
Well, it's food for something. Yeah, we're looking up and doing these bank sides because we did find blackbirds and that in them last year and wagtails the year before and stuff. It's like this all the way up and down, so we're going to have a look.
I'll have a quick look. Well, you've just seen the dipper fly
I
past
just flew past, it looked agitated, didn't it? Making all its alarm calls, gone and
Have a
doing.
bit look doing and
They're really nesters, aren't they? Right, we're gone down. Right, the water looks nice and calm and peaceful and just doing there. It's one of our favourite birds.
Them will actually be nesting, won't they?
They will be, because that's the drake on the water, isn't it?
We'll come across one of them there sometime or other. Just be a bit of luck, I suppose, stumble across one or something.
Aye.
It's quite hot to find you want.
Because the females, they do sit tight on the eggs. You've actually got to nearly stand on them to get them off half the time. They're like pheasants. You've got to stumble across them. They will be on the bank sides and somewhere. But we see a lot of them doing here. They nest on that island. But it means like getting wet and walking over there. There's a bit of an island doing there in the water. But it will be getting there. Right, I'll turn this off.